What are you doing here?
I'm a camouflage tiger.
Camouflage? Why, you fool! You got to paint it so you can't see it.
I didn't know.
Get some new paint and make that gun hard to see.
Yes, sir. Why don't someone tell me these things? Experimental amateur and camouflage store. Keep out. And didn't say Buzz and Timberlake. Or something, damn it. My finger. There you are.
The cannon! It's gone! Hunter's telling us he stole our cannon!
Oh, hello, Sarge.
Come out of that cannon, you! Why, you... Come here, you! Aha! Voices! That gives me an idea. Oh, yeah? I can play that too. Here we go round the mulberry bush. The mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. The mulberry bush. Good morning, General. Did you see a little guy that you can't see? That's funny, General. He's around here somewhere. I wonder where he could... What's this?
Just a minute, man.
He can't make a fool out of me.
Do you mean the little man you can't see?
Yeah. He's around here skipping rope. I'll get him. Stop, wait a minute. Stop.
No, man. No, don't. There's no one here.
Oh, there he is.
Steady, boy. Steady. Take it easy. There's nobody there.
He's right behind you.
No, it's only...
Let me at him.
No, now calm yourself.
Don't stop me.
Please, easy now. Calm
Let me at him. Whoa! I ain't crazy. You know I ain't crazy. Go tell the general that I ain't crazy.
Do you think I'm crazy?